Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to merge two pictures in Photoshop. So with this being said, let's go ahead and open Google Chrome for example, and let's download two different images. For me, I will download a gaming image, for example from League of Legends. Let's go here, League of Legends, and then we write like Yasuo. This is a character in the game. For example, we choose this one and we click on download, and then we go like for Yone, which is his brother in the game, so we choose this one. As you can see, they are completely different images with the completely different colors, as you can see from here. And now we go ahead and open Photoshop. Just so you know guys, this tutorial is being used in Photoshop 2019, but it will still work for you if you have any kind of other versions of this program. So keep focusing and follow my steps, and it will be helpful for you. Now let's click on new, and let's choose a template, for example this one, or let's choose this one. And now we have to drag our pictures. We can drag them by clicking on open, and then we choose both pictures and click on open, and then you click here twice and here twice, and we drag this picture alone and this picture again alone. There is another method which is completely easy. Just come here and just drag the picture inside of it and it will be dragged. So I will choose this method because it has better quality and bigger form, and we drag the other picture. So now guys, as you can see, the two pictures has been dragged inside the picture, inside this project. So how do we make them look similar or like the same? So first of all, we come to eraser tool, we come here, we make the hardness around 25%, and we make the size around this. Wait, let me just make it, okay, wait, let's make them at least not let's make this like that, and this one like that. Okay, so now let's see, we have to drag one above the other one, so let's make this one under it, and now we click on the first one and we make it fade. So we're using this. It doesn't need to be perfect, but you get the idea. And now, as you can see, it feels like it's not really like the same colors, but it feels like it's the same picture. But now, after we click on those both layers, we click on merge, and then we come here on the circle right here and we click on black and white. After doing so, you guys can see that the pictures like look so similar, like they are from the same picture. You can make this picture as a background by just clicking on, like, for example, filter, blur, and Gaussian blur, filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. Not in here, but in this layer. Filter, again, blur, Gaussian blur. As you can see, it becomes less or more similar like that. So thanks for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.